Okay, are you able to see the screen? Huh, children?
Yes, miss, we can see it.
Yeah, okay. So today, children, we are going to learn about what is meant by refraction. What it is, refraction. So already we have understood what is meant by reflection, what is meant by reflected ray, what is meant by incident ray. So all these things already we have understood. So now what we have to understand is what is meant by reflected ray. So in the picture you can clearly see there is an incident ray, and then again there is a reflected ray, and there is a normal. Okay, so these all things which already you have understood, you have studied in your previous classes. So there is one more ray, downward direction. Okay, red colored ray in the downward direction, and I wrote like refracted ray. So can anyone tell me what is meant by refracted refraction, or where does we experience this refraction, or
Can I say
who is this? Yomini? Yes,
geometry?
yes.
Yeah. It is when light travels from one substance to another, like for example, air and water. The light will change direction and it will somehow appear to be bending. That bending is called as refracted light ray.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's fine. Very good. Okay, let me also explain other children. So, 1 minute, children. This IAP is very small. Let me show you one more clear picture. Right. So this is all same picture, but in a more clearer way. So the what is refraction is, see, light will travel. Okay, we know that light travels in straight lines. Those lines are called as rays. Okay, so when it travels, there are different mediums actually for the light to travel. So air could be the medium, glass could be the medium, water could be the medium, oil could be the medium. So there are different kinds of mediums for the light rays to travel. So what happens is, generally when light ray is traveling in only one medium, whatever the ray we get is reflected ray. So for example, it is not traveling from one medium to other medium, it is traveling in the same medium, let us say in air. So incident ray is also on the air, and it is touching the surface of the mirror, and again it is getting reflected in the air itself. So there is no change of medium there. So then that ray is called as reflected ray. That's it. But for example, when the same light ray is traveling from air medium to glass medium, or from air medium to water medium, or from air medium to oil medium, mean from when it is changing medium from one medium to the other medium, then what will happen is, this ray or this light ray, it gets bent. Okay, it gets bent, separating the two medias. So this is the blue color ray which you can see very clearly. Okay, when light passes from one medium to other, it gets bent at the surface separating the two medium. Okay, so that bending of light when traveling from one medium to other medium is called as refraction. So for example, 1 minute. You can see this picture. Okay, so there is some kind of light which is passed from air medium to the glass medium. Okay, so there is a glass there. Okay, so from air medium to it is passed into glass medium, and inside that again there is a water. So what is happening, there is small bending to the light ray. So this kind of bending is called as refracted ray. The bending of light when traveling from one medium to another is called refraction. This refraction happens when light ray travels from one medium to the other medium. Okay, so if you want to understand diagrammatically, this is how you have to draw the refracted ray in the exam, if in case if this question was asked. So here the blue colored line is inside. You can see the medium also. 1 minute, I'll round it off. See here, medium was clearly given. So air is there, and again down you have water medium. So this is all water medium. Okay, and top it is all air medium. So air, this incident ray is nothing but a light ray. Incident ray is nothing but a light ray. So here incident ray from light ray from air medium, it is traveling to the water medium. So when the light ray travels from one medium to the other medium, there is slight bend in the light ray. So the bending of light when traveling from one medium to another is called as refraction. Is it clear, children?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Are you catching?
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
but
but
it
in
is
that picture, no reflection only.
What? In the pictures we cannot show everything. Okay, in this is the picture. Actual picture is this picture. That picture just to show how the bending will be there, that I have downloaded. Okay, actual picture which is given in your textbook is also this one only. Okay, this picture you have to understand. In this picture only you can see the refracted ray and reflected ray. Okay, so during this refraction, okay, we have understood what is meant by refraction. So one more property of refraction is, one more point, one more fact that you have to understand during refraction is, uh, because of this refraction, light gets split into different colors also. Okay, during refraction, light gets split into different colors. For example, you all know rainbow, right? Rainbows. How have you ever seen the rainbows? Huh, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
What is
Yes, miss.
rainbow? How the rainbow is formed?
When sunlight will pass through
When
water,
sunlight and rain falls at the same
any
time,
light,
you will see a rainbow.
When sunlight and rain falls,
water.
when sunlight
Rain,
and rain
rainbow falls.
falls
Because
at
the
the same time.
sunlight passes through the
When
rain
light passes
droplet,
through a water drop,
Don't
through
read
the
the
water
book.
droplet,
Okay, you
and
just explain
that
to the
will
children.
appear as a
So sunlight is nothing but it is a light source. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So sunlight is nothing but it is a light source. Okay, it is one
Hmm.
medium. Okay, sunlight is a light source. Okay, from where it is coming? Sunlight, where it is traveling? From air
from
medium.
the sun.
Okay, it
Oh
travels
yeah,
air.
air.
Okay, from air medium to where it is coming? It is coming to rain is nothing but water. Okay, so it is coming, light rays are traveling from air medium to water medium. Okay, when light rays are traveling from air medium to water medium, what is happening? We are seeing number of colors. Okay, we can see a rainbow formed. We can see number of colors. Okay, so this property is also called as refraction or dispersion of light. This is also called as dispersion of light. Okay, dispersion of light you will understand. I'll explain you after 5 minutes. First of all, we will focus only on refraction, right? So what we have to understand from refraction is, when the light is passing from one medium to other medium, what is happening? There is a slight bend to bend to light. Okay, whatever the light ray is there is a slight bend. So this bending of the light when traveling from one medium to other medium is called refraction. Okay, but 1 minute. You have your course books with your children, everybody? Huh?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
have.
ma'am,
We
we
have.
have them.
Okay, 1 minute. I was just moving slides. Right. So page number 12 you open. Page number 12. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Yes. Rishit Rao respond. Rishit Rao. Rishit Rao respond. In the class, this responding itself, it will take a lot of time. I don't understand. What is the problem? Okay. So who want to read this paragraph?
Can I
Nagadatta,
read it?
1 minute.
Ma'am, I want to read.
I want from boys actually.
Yeah, I'll read, ma'am.
Boys. Okay, yeah. Nagadatta, you want to read? Yeah. First, you read first paragraph.
Discussion of light. Light can travel through different mediums such as air, glass, water, oil, etc. When light passes from one medium to another, it gets bent at the surface separating the two media. The
Somebody is
blending of light
talking.
when
Nagadatta,
traveling
I don't want anybody to talk. And Nagadatta, there should not be any disturbance in your place also. Okay. Yeah, please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Light can travel through different mediums such as air, glass, water, oil, etc. When light passes from one medium to another, it gets bent at the surface separating the two media. The blending of light when traveling from one medium to another, it is called refraction.
Very good. 1 minute. Stop there. So the same whatever I have explained, it is there. Okay. So light can travel through different mediums. Okay. What are the different mediums? Air, glass, water, oil, etc. So when light passes from one medium to another medium, it gets bent at the surface separating the two medium. In the picture I have clearly shown you. So this bending of light when traveling from one medium to another is called as refraction. Yes. Now that the second paragraph.
Due to refraction, light gets split into different colors. For example, sunlight and torchlight are mixtures of lights of different colors. When the light from these surfaces sources bend sharply due to refraction, the colored lights they are made up of get separated. However,
1 minute.
light that
Stop there. Whenever. Okay, so I have told you this point also due to refraction. So refraction is having one more point to understand. So whenever there is a refraction process, light whenever it is traveling from one medium to another medium, so it gets split into different colors also. Okay, this is how the rainbow also works. Okay, the principle of rainbow works because of this refraction. So whenever the light ray is getting transferred from one medium to another medium. So there is a bend which is called as refraction. And during this refraction, there is a process called splitting into different colors. Okay, whatever the sunlight is coming, it splits into different colors. Whatever the torch light also, it is coming, that light also it splits into different colors. Okay, uh, so we can identify the colors also. Like for example, rainbow, we have Vibgyor. Okay. So we have different colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So that splitting of colors we can easily identify in a rainbow. Okay. So during this refraction, there is a splitting of colors, different colors, and these colors also separated. Okay. We can identify them.
they
But
bend
there is
sharp.
some exemption only for two cases. Only for two cases, there is some exemption. You can read it. However,
However, light such as red light of laser pointer or yellow light of sodium vapor lamp are single colored light which do not split due to refraction.
yeah, very good. So I have shown you red color light already. Okay, whenever we use a pointer, laser pointer, so you can see red light of laser pointer. Okay, so here the color did not change. The color did not split into Vibgyor. Okay, whatever the red color is there, you can, even if it is traveling from one medium to another medium, okay, it is getting refracted, but splitting of
It's
colors
not
is not.
changing colors.
Colors, it is not changing colors and it is not splitting also. So there is an exemption for this red light, mean laser light, and one more light is yellow light. So this is
Sodium vapor
where
lamp.
yellow light is used. Okay, so yellow light, this is these are called as sodium vapor lamps, which are used as street lights also on highways or somewhere like that. So this is the light which is present inside it. This is the tube. Okay. So this light is called as yellow light. This is called as sodium vapor lamp also. Okay. This also, uh, this also when it is getting refracted, It will not split into VIBGYOR or a different color. It will be there in yellow color only. Okay, except this red color, red light and yellow light, remaining all other lights, whenever remaining all other sources of light, whenever they are traveling from one medium to other medium, they are
Other.
splitting into different colors. That is how the principle of rainbow works. Okay, the principle of rainbow works. Is it clear till now for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh, children, are you following
Yes,
me?
miss.
Yes. One more other.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Nagadatta. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody from boys can read the third paragraph. Somebody from boys can read the third paragraph. Boys are not there in this class. Monish,
I'll
please
read.
read.
On refraction, lights of different colors bend by different
Read louder.
amounts of.
Read louder. I cannot hear.
On refraction, lights of different colors bend by different amounts.
Okay.
So when light constituting of different colors
Constituting.
get refracted, they separate or split into the
Into its
constituent
constituent colors.
colors. The
Mm,
splitting of light into its components of colors due to refraction is called dispersion of light.
stop there. So the same thing I told you now. This one color when it is passing, mean one light ray when it is passing from one medium to other medium, when it is splitting into different colors. Okay. So this splitting of light into different components or different this splitting of light into its components of colors due to refraction is called as dispersion of light. Once again, what is dispersion of light is when the light is split into different colors. Okay, due to refraction. This process is called as dispersion of light. Simple, when light splits into different colors due to refraction, this phenomena is called as dispersion of light. And one more example he has given there to explain the same thing. Yes, you can continue. Munish.
When white light is when white light passes through an equilateral prism, it splits into seven colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. This is called dispersion of light. The light waves with the shortest wavelength are also slowed down and refracted the most.
Okay. So the same thing, you can see the prism picture. Let me see if I have a slide related to that. 1 minute, children. Yeah. So see, this is a prism, glass prism. Okay. So this prism you can see in your laboratories also. If it is available in your lab, most probably I'll
Air
check
to
and I'll,
glass.
yeah, it is a glass prism. And if it is available in your lab, I'll check and I'll try to show you directly also in tomorrow's class. White light is nothing but a kind of light. It is a light source. So when light source is passed through this prism, glass prism is made up of glass. Okay. So here air is one medium and glass is one medium there. So light source is traveling from air medium to glass medium. So when light source is traveling or passing through this prism, what is happening? It is splitting into seven colors. You can see the components of colors there. Red color, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So this is all called as VIBGYOR. Okay, VIBGYOR. So I told you now the phenomena of splitting of white light into its constituent seven colors on passing through a glass prism is called dispersion of light. Okay, simple. When light is passed into a glass prism, it splits into different components of color or into seven colors. Okay, this splitting of colors, the phenomena of splitting of light into different colors is called a dispersion of light. Is it clear, children, for you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the light waves with the shortest wavelength are slowed down and refracted the most. So when the light, this light waves means the light rays, if they are short, if they are short in size, they are refracted, they get refracted the most. If they are small in size, if the light rays are small in size, they get refracted more quickly when compared to longer rays. The length of the rays. Okay. So if the length of the ray which is coming, okay, the light from the light source, if it is small, it gets refracted quickly. If the light ray is long, big, it takes, when compared to shorter wavelengths of light, longer wavelengths gets refracted slowly. That is the point which it is speaking about. Right. So this is also the same picture, I think so. 1 minute, children. So this is also the same picture. Okay, when white light is passed through glass prism, it is splitted into different colors, and this phenomena is called as dispersion of light. Is dispersion of light clear to everybody? Huh, children? Is dispersion of light clear to everybody? Everybody understood it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
Anybody is having any kind of doubt?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. So now, once we see how the rainbow is done. Okay. So you can see the rainbow here. Okay. So let us see a droplet of rainbow. Let us understand the refraction process in one water drop. We said when the light rays are passing from water, when the sunlight is passing, coming from air, and when it is passing into the water, this the light ray converts or splits into different colors and forms as a rainbow. So this is one drop. Okay, this is one drop of water, that round circle. Let us consider that round as one drop of water or one raindrop. Okay, let us consider that as one raindrop. So what did you understand from this picture? Just observe it carefully and tell me what did you understand from this picture.
Ma'am,
And
the
if same
light
picture,
ray
if
from
Light,
sun coming and refracted and
the light
dispersion
is
is there.
there, light is coming from the sun. Okay, light is coming from the sun. Then what is
it
happening?
passes through.
As
It
soon as it
passes
is
through the
touching, as soon
droplet.
as it is entering into the water drop, it is
Drop
splitted
Get
into,
refracted.
it is splitted into different colors. You can see as soon as this water, this is, this is the source of 1 minute. I'll just try to write something there. Okay, right. So this is, let us imagine this as the light ray. Okay, this is the light ray which is coming from the sun. As soon as this light ray enters this water drop here, okay, it is splitting into different colors. You can see the different colors here, how it is splitting. And then it is reflected. Okay, you can see how it is reflected also. Here you can see the reflection. Okay, so this is, it is reflected. And then again you can see a slight bending. Again you can see a slight bending. So reflection is there, refraction is there. So this kind of bending, here you can see the bending, is called as refraction. Okay, and after refraction, before refraction also, this splitting of light rays into different colors is called as dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. Okay, so in one water molecule, one raindrop, this much process takes place. And if there are number of raindrops, okay, if there are more number of raindrops, that is how it forms into a big rainbow. Okay, this is, we are studying with one raindrop. But when rainbow is formed, you have thousands or millions and billions of raindrops. Okay, So did you understand this concept, children? How the rainbow is
Yes,
formed?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
anyone explain
Understood.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone explain me how it was done
Yes, ma'am.
so that I will
First,
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. I will explain, ma'am.
Yeah.
First, the ray light of sun is coming, and
Everybody mute yourself except who is responding now. Who is talking now? Who is telling me answer? Because I am
Nagadatam.
sharing the screen, I cannot see the complete participants. Okay. So who is responding now?
Nagadatam.
yes,
Naga.
ma'am. I will say.
Yeah. Yeah. Please respond.
A light ray of sun is coming and striking the droplet of rainwater, and some part of light is reflecting, and somewhat light
Here
was
it is
bended.
written clearly dispersion. Okay. So dispersion is taking place there. Dispersion of light is taking place there. It is splitting into different colors. And again, there is a reflection. Again, here
And
there
there
is
is
a
a
refraction.
refraction.
And again, there is a bending also. You can see there. Okay.
After that, there is a bending of light, and that forms dispersion.
Okay. Surya Kiran respond. Surya Kiran respond. Now he has joined the class.
No, ma'am. Network issue.
Every time you tell me the same reason, network issue, and I don't know how will you understand all these concepts. Hardly I am preparing all these slides so that you will understand the concept easily, rather than I can tell you to read the course book. And we are making our efforts to make the concept clear, and you are entering in the middle of the class, and then I don't understand how you will understand the concept. Okay, is this concept is clear now, children? In a raindrop, what is the mechanism? How the dispersion of light is taking place? Is it clear for everybody, or anybody is having any
Clear,
doubt?
ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Thank you. So now we will move on. So okay, let somebody read this. Monish, please
Can I
continue
read it?
reading. Who wants to?
Ma'am, can I read?
Who is this?
Ma'am, this is Ritvika. Ma'am.
Ritvik, read. Read, Ritvika.
Ma'am, from the rainbow.
Rainbow.
Okay. The rainbow. The rainbow is beautiful natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. It is caused by the dispersion of sunlight by water droplets present in the atmosphere.
Okay,
The
stop.
water droplets.
Stop. So I told you, na children, the rainbow is very beautiful. It is, everybody like to watch rainbow because it is having beautiful natural spectrum. Means spectrum means different colors. Okay, different colors of light. So appearing in the sky after a rain shower. Mean rain shower in the sense after a rainfall. So it is caused by the dispersion of sunlight. I told you this phenomena is called as dispersion. The light which is coming is from sun. So dispersion of sunlight by water droplets or raindrops present in the atmosphere. Yes. Yes, continue, Ritvika.
Okay, ma'am. The water droplets act like small prisms. They refract and disperse the sunlight, then reflect it internally, and finally refract it again when it comes out of the raindrops. Due to the dispersion of sunlight and internal reflection by the water droplets, we see the rainbow colors.
Okay, stop there. I told you, na children, very clearly the water droplet. So each water droplet is considered as a prism. So why they are considered as prism is having a property of dispersion. Means prism is having a property of dividing the light into different constituents. Mean different components of color or into different colors. So each water drop or each drop is considered as a prism because it is dispersed into different colors. So here he was telling the water droplets acts like small prisms. They refract. I told you, na, they refract and disperse the sunlight, then reflect it internally, and finally refract it again when it comes out of the raindrop. Whatever the diagram I have shown you, how the sunlight is passing into the water, and immediately after entering into the water droplet, it is splitting into different colors, and again it is getting reflected, again it is getting refracted. So these all phenomena he has written there. Okay, and because of this phenomena, you can see the rainbows. Okay, I mean rainbow with different colors. Yes. Now please go for refraction in daily life.
Refraction in daily life. Various effects due to refraction of light are observed in our daily life. There are many advantages of refraction of light. A clear pool of water always appears to be shallower than it actually is.
1 minute, children. Okay. So refraction, generally we will notice this refraction in our daily life also. For example, you can see the images here. 1 minute. So this is the image of refraction. 1 minute. Yes. So what did you observe in this picture, children?
The
What did you observe in
pencil
this picture?
appears to be bent,
How the pencil is appearing for you?
Sight slightly broken,
slightly
ma'am.
like split and
Position of
bent,
pencil is changing, ma'am, in the
into
water.
a different position.
It's like broken, ma'am.
So it is
Yeah,
bent.
the position is changing. The actual
So it
position
is,
is changing.
you can see a slight bending. Okay, in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
image.
Yes, slight bending.
You can see the slight bending.
Slight
There
bending.
is a
Yes, ma'am.
refraction there. Okay, so refraction appears in our daily lives also with some objects. Okay, so various effects due to refraction of light are observed in our daily life. Okay, so for example, this is one example, and another example is also there. 1 minute. Shiv.
There's a coin example.
Ma'am, a common example.
Yeah, I'm showing. So, for example, if you drop a coin, you take a beaker, okay, and then you just pour a water in it, and then you just place a coin inside that beaker. So, if you see from your eye, okay, what will you notice generally? You notice the
The
coin
coin
is
is
what?
like
A coin is placed at the bottom of the beaker containing water seems to be raised. So you see it like in the top only, but the bottom when the coin goes down. But when you see from your
Yes,
eye,
ma'am.
you observe it, it appears like it is there at the top only somewhere.
It's
Okay.
floating.
Yes.
But this is refraction, ma'am.
These
This
all
is
properties comes
yeah,
into
this is
refraction.
reflection.
Mean daily life examples. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So this is one example. 1 minute, children. Where is the picture? Yeah. 1 minute. This is what can you observe from this picture?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
cat's face
The cat
like
was
way
outside of beaker, ma'am, but it is looking like it is inside of beaker.
It is looking like inside of beaker, and its size also. It is
is
It's very
a
large.
large.
it is appearing like
It's
shallower.
very huge.
It is like larger. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
one of the property of refraction. One of the example for refraction. In this picture, what can you see?
Ma'am,
Just
because
like
this
A
straw
straws
is
which is
very
slightly bent
bend
off.
off. It seems
It's
like it is
slight
bent.
bend off.
Okay.
Yeah,
So a straw is
slight bend.
inside the water in glass, which is containing water, and a straw is placed inside it. So if you observe from this side, in front side, it is there. You can observe a slight bend. When you observe it,
Yes, ma'am.
you can notice that kind of bend, and the size also. It is enlarged in size. Okay, you can see how the size is enlarged there. Is it clear, children? You understanding how the things are going on there?
yes, nice.
Okay, 1 minute, children. So sun. What is this picture? What is this picture, children?
Sun.
Sun. So did you
Ma'am,
see? Did you observe any time? One. So what is this picture?
It's the setting sun.
It is also
Sun.
sun. But what is the difference between normal sun and this sun?
This is like oval shaped.
So it is
No,
Yeah.
shape.
Without
rather
it's
than
not looking like
I
a
think that is a
semicircle shape,
sunset,
ma'am.
ma'am. Sunset.
Yeah, like semicircle shape it's there, ma'am. Sun shape.
Somebody read 14th page now. 14. Do we have time now? Um,
Ma'am, no ma'am, time completed,
No,
ma'am. I need to
ma'am.
break, ma'am.
Okay, it is already 11 o'clock. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
tomorrow
ma'am.
we'll complete the remaining examples.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
okay.
So,
ma'am.
anyways, you please read this course book, page number 12 and 13.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.